In our previous video, we took a comprehensive look at the first set of Sanskrit sounds called as swaras. We learnt how they are produced, how to utter them, why they are arranged the way they are, their manifestations in the human body, and their significance in spiritual practices. In this video, let's do a similar exploration of the next set of Sanskrit sounds called as Vyanjanas. By the end of this video, we would have completed our first step into the world of Sanskrit learning and would be fully equipped with the tools necessary to start speaking the language in our next video. The Sanskrit channel is an effort to explore a vast variety of topics from original Sanskrit literature. If you wish to support this effort, consider becoming a sponsor on Patreon or make a one-time contribution through these options. Your support will help us create more of these videos more frequently on more number of topics. Do check out all these links in the description below. Vyanjanas are those sounds of Sanskrit language which are produced with a special effort by the organs of the vocal cavity. Unlike swaras, they are not inherent sounds. But similar to swaras, there are different ways of categorizing them for further study. One of such ways is shown here. As you see, there are 35 Vyanjanas in Sanskrit which are grouped into different sections denoted by various Sanskrit names. Before we learn how to utter these sounds correctly, let's explore the logic behind this kind of categorization. The first 25 sounds are called as sparshaha. These are produced when there is a contact or a touch, sparsha, between two parts of the vocal cavity. The last few are called as ushmanaha. These are produced by blowing out air in different formations. And the intermediary sounds between them are called as antasthaha. These are categorized further based on the amount of air or prana which is used to utter them. There are alpa pranaha which use lesser amount of air and mahapranaha which use more amount of air. Each row or varga is denoted with its first letter and is associated with a specific organ of the vocal cavity from which all of them emanate. For example, kantaha, throat, taluhu, back of the palate, Murdha, front of the palate, which is the roof of the mouth, Dantaha, teeth, and Oshtau, both the lips. There is a group of sounds at the end of each varga called as Anunasikas, which are produced with the help of Nasika or the nose. I just mentioned these terms to present how systematic this scheme of organization is. One need not necessarily memorize these terms or even know them in order to speak the language. And as I said before, this is just one of the many ways we can organize the Sanskrit alphabet. What is more important is that you know how to utter these sounds clearly. There are a lot of common mistakes people commit when uttering these sounds, especially sounds like nga, nya and pha. I'll now utter these sounds in that particular order and give a short pause after each sound. You can try and utter these sounds after me and check if you have been pronouncing these sounds correctly. It also helps to consciously focus on that particular area of the mouth when uttering these sounds. Let's get started. Ka, kha, ga, gha, nga, cha, cha, ja, jha, nya, ta, tha, da, dha, na, ta, tha, da, dha, na, pa, pha, ba, bha, ma, ya, ra, la, va, sha, sha, sa, ha. Now, there is another sound, la, which is very commonly used in the spiritual practices, but is not that commonly used in Sanskrit language and literature. It is, however, used widely in other regional languages of India. There are also other sounds which are just a combination of multiple Vyanjanas, but are practiced along with them because they are used very often in language and literature. These are ksha, which is a combination of ka and sha, tra, which is a combination of ta and ra, nya, which is a combination of ja and nya, and shra, which is a combination of sha and ra. Many of the Indian regional languages follow the same system of alphabet organization with slight variations based on the commonly used or omitted sounds in that particular language. These set of 35 sounds are also found in the lower 5 chakras of the human body. 4 sounds are located at the Mooladhara, 6 at Swadhisthana, 10 at Manipuraka, 12 at Anahata, and 3 at Agnya. Each of these sounds are also associated with specific deities and form an integral part of some of the most powerful mantras. The Panchadashi mantra is a classic example of this. Now that we have learned how to utter the sounds of Sanskrit correctly, in the next video, we are going to start learning few simple Sanskrit words which are enough to hold a complete conversation. Many of you have asked me to recommend a best book or a video to start learning Sanskrit language. The best way to acquire this skill is not through books or even videos, it is through a handful of friends who are interested in speaking the language with each other. Make sure you share these 2 videos with those who wish to learn Sanskrit with you, and by next video, let's all start making small talk in Sanskrit together. If you wish to support the production of more videos like these, consider becoming a sponsor on Patreon or make a one-time contribution through these options. Also, consider subscribing to the Sanskrit channel where we explore hidden gems in the vast world of diverse Sanskrit literature. See you in the next video. Namaskaram.